Today my patient Nina, she is having pain from occipital, from the neck, that is radiating towards her arm. Do you have pain here?
Yeah.
This one, right?
Yes.
You can see it's inflamed also.
Yeah.
Starting from the C1. Okay, now starting my treatment with first of all electrotherapy, which include bioelectric stimulation, frequency-based machine. It will reduce inflammation and pain. So I will starting from all over the C1 to C7. This is SCM, sternocleidomastoid muscle. It's very tight when you have neck pain or a kind of radiating pain. So I will release this muscle. Okay, slowly you can do breathe in, breathe out while I am releasing this muscle. Good. Once more. That's it. Repeat the same one. Breathe in, breathe out. Good. So let me just give a little bit cervical traction. Turn face to the other side. Okay. Now try to stretch your arm. And
my pain was from right side of the neck, goes to my full arm and shoulder. My pain is released now and I feel much better. Thank you.